Okay, now you all are aware, the international relationship, equations, alliances, everything is undergoing a change, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Now, keeping that thing in mind, what do you think is the best way forward as far as Indian foreign policy is concerned, or India's stance is concerned? Okay, do you think that India must now align with the democratic forces in the world, or do you think that India should follow a policy of Akela Chal, Ekla Chalo Re, follow this policy? Okay, or do you think that India must resort to trust the old allies policy? Okay, understood topic?
Yes, sir.
Anybody who is not clear with the topic? All clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, start please.
Friends, I think that India is like China, Taliban has acquired Afghanistan, and China and Pakistan both have helped Taliban to acquire Afghanistan, and China is also making allies with Sri Lanka by acquiring by heavily investing in Sri Lanka. I think India should take new allies with some other countries like America. It has made allies and some countries like Iran, and it should be
Akela Chal, not adopt India plan. Akela Chal, India cooperated all the nations, and India interested all the nations.
I agree
by
with
giving-
you, but
by giving-
I think India should make allies with some other new countries also, as it will be dominated by China if we face two-front war by China and from Pakistan and from China. As China is expanding its territories, by expanding its territories, it is expanding in South China Sea and in Indian Ocean.
Gentlemen, in my point of view,
I
as
think India
India's
should also
policy was there to stay neutral in all the stances since 1954. There were India's foreign policy, non-aligned movement, India followed. And if we talk about to present days, as Taliban captured Afghanistan, India's stance was there, wait and watch. And in 2019, there was a statement from our Honorable Defense Minister, Mr. Rajnath Singh, that if any power attacks on us, we may change our nuclear
Yes,
power.
I agree with
Attack-
Just number
attack-
1985, I agree with you, but the topic for our discussion is should India make new allies with it, or it should move alone? I think India should make new allies with some countries in South China Sea like Vietnam, Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, and Russia. This would help India in defending its territories from China, as China is expanding its territories. So we should also do something to help everyone, also expand our foreign alliance with some countries.
Gentlemen, as per chest number 86 said, we should form new alliance. Yes, it is the need of the day, because first we were a developing nation. We could not take any country as our enemy. We were only supporting every nation.
Just number 98, I agree with you. But we should also expand our
So as India is developing its relations with most of the nations, and also India is providing support to G4 groups, and they are establishing relationship. But now, gentlemen, as our new target also want to get permanent
and most of the countries are a part of
Total the China
G20 area.
trying to help of trying to take help of
Gentlemen,
another
now
countries
we
to
want
tackle
to be
China in
a
Indo-Pacific.
permanent member in
We should
United
also
Nations.
maintain a strong
We need to align to
like China and China is attacking us.
So we need to get control of Indo-Pacific region, because our blue economy is not explored till now. So we need new alliances. But what will be these new alliances? This is the thing. Like
I think
even
India
France,
is making
which is
new
far away,
alliances like
they also have
new pod is helping China I think we should also see in South China Sea, as South China Sea is a very big part of
India also aligned to tackle
and most of the trade transfer of South China Sea, we should focus and make alliances with Vietnam, as well as Hong Kong, with China,
Gentlemen, there was a Northern Alliance before it. Now we need a new court to tackle the problem of
And we have
Afghanistan.
made a
So
new
that a new
court. We should also focus on other countries like Indo-Pacific, where China is expanding. Our first priority should be how to tackle with China. China is
why we are foreign relations, foreign policies. The main reason is behind that development of our nation and welfare of our own nation. So as we are
that's why India needs the help of another countries to tackle China also and to growing in as a global
India
power
currently
also.
India
That's why India is also
When we say we are making what is quite important when we say we want to tackle China. And when we say the financial help of Pakistan this time was done by UAE. So we need this new card also to tackle them
India is not
when
only
it is
focusing
about
on
Pakistan.
it is
And when it's about economic, we also need to trade.
China, we should also strengthen our boundaries. As boundaries are very important for us, as China is expanding, we should strengthen our boundaries with AI and cyber security. We should also use some methods to secure our territories in Indian Ocean and South China Sea. And South China Sea, and most of the trade
development and there needs to be a support our technology that is for China and
we have made some alliance with Japan. And we should also make with Hong Kong as China's terms with Hong
to align to
Make good relation with Australia because there is breakage in the supply chain. And
we should also make alliance with some South African countries and some of the great powers to South Asia. We should also make alliances like Cape Town and some other South African countries.
as chess number 86 has said that India has to make
Gentlemen,
Africa
I'm going to
allies
test you.
with Africa,
I'm going to
but
test
they are
your
not very
ability.
developed and they are not capable to change the world politics. So India
But
has to
China is acquiring them. So we should also see that most of the trade passes to Cape Town and Cape of Good Hope also. Also, we should also focus on trade comes under control of China. How will we improve our economy? So we should also focus on where trade passes.
It's quite crowded when we consider it has a passage and an important thing that we are saying blue economy and economy. We can get help from China when we say that so that's why it's considered quite important. Now we also have China forces in African continent. So through that we can also make new alliances in Africa also. Now the important thing was
as stage number 90 has indicated, we should make some alliances with South American countries also.
India is also in new alliance like Quad and other countries like Israel, USA, Japan, and India is also making participating in new alliance also. And India needs to become a global power, so it needs technology infrastructure. That's why it also
Talking about technology, I think India can very much improve its technology. It can use its population and use
power and
manufacturing
economic,
that
strong-
China provided companies to become the as they provided cheap labor, we can also provide like big MNCs and
But-
become the manufacturing hub of the
But
world.
China is becoming.
As gentlemen, as Chancellor Agency said, it is quite valid. And gentlemen, as we see, our Organization for Regional Development was SARC, but due to Pakistan, it is not working properly. So, organization like BIMSTEC could be a new, and we should empower these organizations, fund these. We should make free trade.
As just number 98 said, we should also
help
focus
because-
on our neighbors like Bangladesh, Nepal. We have good terms with them. We should also focus on some other Asian countries and strengthen them as China and Pakistan, Afghanistan are expanding. We should also
But
focus.
India is
But India
focusing
has
on
to-
relations.
India has made-
Okay, last
India
two
has
minutes,
made
gentlemen.
Recently,
India has made
Narendra Modi
India
has
has
there are five multinational companies will be
Gentlemen, it
focusing
is a
on
matter of
investment
that
in India.
why we are making
And-
relations with foreign countries and why we are having our own
To
schemes
become-
and rest.
and
So
to
that should-
because-
to become more
Gentlemen,
developed.
have
please
no-
focus
no-
on
no-
this.
no- no-
Now we have
We need another countries.
we
We
like-
need another
we
alliance
need-
to
Gentlemen,
become
till now we have
Lot
discussed
of-
about each and
I
every
think we have IIT also invest in some poor countries and take them under control so that we can affect the trade and also take a very good position in the world. By this, I think we can do something to improve our situation in
But
world.
India has to.
India
has
has
also
to-
because there are 500 Fortune 500
I'm
companies
saying
which come
that
for
we should
development in
invest
India.
in some poor countries and bring them under our control, like in South Africa. We can do that by doing that. We can have a control on world trade, and by doing that, we can
As
become
India-
a
but
very
India
strong
also India is also a developing country, not the developed country.
By that
During
means
our
we
political
get
will,
the-
India
We are doing this. We are making.
Fine,
relations
gentlemen,
with
your
other
time is up.
countries.
Time is up. I'll just tell you in brief. Relatively, the Group 1 performance was a shade better than the Group 2. Group 2 basically, I don't know what the reason, maybe because the new people are much more there. They were slightly more laid back. Barish had 1 or 2%, people were not participating at all. Okay, and thereby not contributing in any way to the discussion, either lifting up the discussion level or quality of discussion. So that's why the highest level the group reached has not making the cut. Okay,
Yes.
so kindly contribute in the group activity or discussion, wherever activity, whichever activity you're taking part in. That was one point. Group, as I said, group 1 discussion was shared better, but not too good. You can't sit on your laurels, achieve laurels. Okay, you have to keep working hard. 1 or 2 speakers was okay. You are able to pick up and kindly be very clear. What was this thing? Discussion topic of group number 1. Yeah, please. Who will tell? Manan ji, बताइए जरा आपका topic क्या था discussion?
Sir, why India is not able or not able to become a global power, and what are its roadblocks? So,
What are the roadblocks?
means why? What are the
What, in your opinion, is the single most significant roadblock in the achieving this status
Yes.
in the world? Isn't it?
Yes.
So kindly pay attention what's being told. That means all three are applicable. और MCQ होता ना आपका?
Yes,
What is
yes.
MCQ?
multiple choice
Multiple choice questions, right? And sometimes what is the they don't say, they say okay, pick the most appropriate one, not the which is the right one. Right one उसमें 3-4 होते. So then you have to utilize, okay, right? तीनों बराबर हैं, but in your opinion कौन सा तुम समझते हो ज़्यादा important? All right, and then you go to build up your argument of in support or against, whatever it may be. But definitely, please sit down. So I'm happy that you have got the GD topic right. Please understand. That's why I keep telling you. Okay, pay attention what is being told to you, and then go ahead. अतः ये भी ठीक है, वो भी ठीक है, इधर भी ठीक है, इस नाव में भी पैर रखूंगा, उधर भी रखूंगा, और कहीं नहीं जाओगे, डूब जाओगे।
अगर आपने सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी के YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो अभी सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबाएं ताकि लेटेस्ट नोटिफिकेशंस आपके पास सबसे पहले पहुंचे।